Page 8, this is Ostrich Walk, the one at the bottom. This is similar to the Peacock Walk, except this is for the left hand. The staccatos. I don't want to repeat all that junk I just said in the previous video. You can watch that video. But staccatos here in bass clef. I'm just on it here and get it. And then when you repeat it, they want you to go down an octave. So you just lift up and come down here. Play it the second time down there. Yeah. I don't have a lot to say on it. Let's play it together and make sure you have the notes correctly and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. So I don't dive into these like I'm learning a piece of music here. Here we're just working on a piece of technique, something about technique. And in this case, it's working the wrist on those staccatos. I exaggerate it so you can see it better, but it's really a small motion. Don't hurt yourself when you're doing this. It should not hurt to do this. If it is, you might want to see a doctor. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 2, 3, repeat. 2, 3, rest.